I'm Andrew Kraft. I'm the CFO at Site Landscape Development. We're a commercial landscape company in Lewisville, Texas.
I am Tim Johnson with Tim Johnson Landscaping Incorporated out of Statesville, North Carolina.
One of the biggest reasons we chose Aspire was because of the regular updates.
Aspire has really provided us the tools necessary to scale and make sure we're doing that in a profitable manner. Really appreciate the fact that Aspire has shown commitment to growing the construction side of the software.
This last release had so many, there's like 4 or 5 big things in there. The ability to do change orders after opportunity was completed, that it saved a bunch of workarounds and a bunch of steps.
There are 2 things that I'm really excited about. The first is revisions and proposals. Having the ability to create revisions and not have to do work multiple times allows us to be more efficient. And the vendor management thing, my estimator is stoked about. There's now a drop-down box that shows what vendor for each item. It also provides another check to hold the estimating team accountable to make sure that they have in fact sourced that material and we know where they sourced it from.
The other one is small but impactful, is the images. Now instead of clicking on something, downloading it, opening it up somewhere else, you can just click on the image and see the information you need to see. It just saves a few seconds, but we're doing that dozens, if not hundreds of times a day.
For somebody who's managing landscape construction projects in another software, I would challenge them to find a product that offers more complete visibility and insight into profitability than Aspire does.
What Aspire has done for us is given us a platform to enable us to grow. We were maybe 20 million revenue when we first started with Aspire. We're 40 million now, and we're going to just keep growing.